Side for the start of my new video, my third one, I think. No, fourth one actually. I'm going to show you what I'm doing in our garden. I got a little tiny garden patch here. I have quite a bit of sweet corn over here. It's about there. I'm watering it currently, so I'll have to run away here in a second so I don't get wet. But yeah, it's a little bit of a patch there. I got an electric fence so the raccoons don't come and eat all of the sweet corn and my watermelons. I have a little bit of watermelons. Here's my biggest watermelon so far. It's probably 8 inches in diameter. I got a bunch of these other ones right around here that are about that, not quite that big. Then I got another patch right here. Here's some of the, I don't know if you can tell, there's some smaller, darker ones on this plant. There's another one. It got whacked by hail with that hailstorm, so that's where you're seeing a little bit of a little dent in the outside. But I got a little bit of that. So most people around here do a little bit of a garden. At least try to. Most years it's pretty successful. Some years like this year, we got lucky. Most other people around us didn't get lucky, and we didn't get hailed out, but a lot of people did. So yeah, those are my mom's blackberries and her raspberries. She's got a big old patch of raspberries over there. And green beans, they're the best. Homegrown here in Nebraska, sweet corn, and some watermelon, all that fun stuff. That's what kind of looks like out here right now. Stay tuned for some more farming footage, I guess. This isn't much of farming, it's more just hobby gardening. Unless you're super big into the gardening, then it sort of becomes a farm, but stay tuned. Hey everyone, I'm out here cutting our second field of third crop right now. Just on the outer ring over there. Got the inside up done before dinner, but right now going pretty good. First thing is though, when the sun's right on the wind chill and there's enough dirt and dust on it that it just makes for a miserable time. You can barely see out the window, and if you are seeing, you're going blind because of the brightness of the sun in front of you. But yeah, this is finally in our crop, or our fields, which they're a lot smoother than our neighbors. Hey everyone, it's Tuesday. I barely got home from school. Dad called me, we need to go haul some hay for our neighbor. We got it finished baling today. So stay tuned, that's what we're doing today. And we just got done with half of the field, if you can tell. There it is. Got that half done. I'm running the loader right now. I've got this whole side to do. So we've got about half. Super fun. Hey everyone, it is Tuesday night. We had threat of storm, so we quickly baled this field. As we're hauling it right now, it's 8:30-ish. But we are surprisingly going really quick for hauling hay. But we got one load left, and then we're gonna call it a night. So we baled and we've hauled and baled 97 bales tonight within like 3 hours of baling, starting baling and finish stacking. So that's pretty quick for us, I'd say. It works amazing. We still haven't put the engine on it though.
Move around and show your welds.
See, you just pop that in there. It's a pivot gearbox. There's just some of my welds. The amazing welds. Like those right there. Whew. Let me tell you, those are beautiful. Let's not look at those ones though. And there's those two sets that go all the way around. The one that's on the other side of this one also on the inside. No.
Now step back.
Inside of that one. Yeah, it just spins. Super nice. Dad's really happy with it. Every weld on this was done by me. So if it looks crappy, that's why. Hey there, haven't taken a video, but what we've been doing lately, we built this stand for our engine that is it's supposed to be in our sprayer, but we had a leak in it and it didn't have enough oil because all the oil leaked out, and we ruined a couple bearings, and now we got to fix it. So that's what we're doing right now since it's rained a lot. We haven't been in the field, but that's kind of what we're doing. It's a fun little project we got to do instead of having to always be working in the fields, but it's very complex, all the many little tiny deals. All the 6 pistons that are in there. This is a Cummins. It's pretty fun, I guess. My dad just left to go do some water, but he left me here to start pulling some more of the stuff off. So the stand is made from a pivot gearbox that is pretty low gear ratio. So you spin these and it slowly spins this little, which is nice because then you can flip it over when you need to. But that's what me and my dad did yesterday.